On the 23rd of September, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, released a blog post titled, "The Intelligence Age." I've left a link in the description below to read it for yourself. Altman also posted the following statement: "This may turn out to be the most consequential fact about all of history so far. It is possible that we will have superintelligence in a few thousand days. It may take longer, but I'm confident we'll get there. In the next couple of decades, we'll witness achievements that would have seemed like magic to our grandparents. While progress is not new to humanity, the acceleration we're about to experience is unprecedented. Soon, we'll collaborate with AI that amplifies our capabilities beyond current limits. Imagine having a personal AI team, virtual experts in various fields, working together to bring any idea to life. Our children could have virtual tutors offering personalized instruction in any subject, language, and at any pace. In healthcare, AI could revolutionize patient care, providing precise diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. With these advancements, shared prosperity could reach levels unimaginable today. The quality of life for everyone could surpass even the most privileged standards of our time. How did we arrive at the cusp of this new era? In essence, deep learning worked. By scaling compute power and data, AI systems have become increasingly capable, learning underlying patterns in ways previously thought impossible. We might achieve superintelligence within a few thousand days. While challenges remain, we must focus on the fact that AI continues to improve with scale, promising meaningful enhancements to lives worldwide. The intelligence age is upon us, promising challenges and unprecedented opportunities. By embracing AI responsibly, we can unlock a future where humanity's potential is fully realized and everyone's life is enriched beyond measure. Sam's recent blog on the intelligence age is certainly worth a look at.